Welcome to Erotech Solutions. This is Nanda. Here I'm explaining about fingerprint-based door lock system, and this is application developed with Arduino microcontroller and with other modules. So coming to the different units here, this is Arduino unit and LCD 16x2 and the buzzer, and this is just power extension here to all the modules, and DC 5 volts relay module here, and electronic lock which is 12 volts DC operated, and fingerprint scanner. So these are the different modules I used. And coming to the connections, so Arduino module which is connected with LCD across from pin number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So respective RS, enable and 4 data lines. There are 6 lines you need to connect from LCD to Arduino. And whereas fingerprint scanner, and mostly people will confuse here. So coming to the connections, there are 6 lines here. Out of 6 lines, you need to use only first 4 lines, VCC, ground, and this is R307S module which is operated with 5 volts DC supply. VCC, ground, there is the first 2 lines, and the other 2 lines are RXD and TXD from the fingerprint module, so which are connected across pin number 2 and pin number 3. And the relay module have 3 lines, VCC, ground, the 5 volts and ground. I use this power extension here which is connected with 1 line VCC and other line ground. And the input line of relay module I connected pin number across 10. And the buzzer also needs 2 wires, one is ground and other one is connected with IO pin which is pin number 11. And this 12 volts DC operated electronic lock. So I took power from the direct adapter rating here. From adapter I am driving the source to this electronic lock. So this is my connections and the modules I used in the project. So let's go to the output presentation here. So I am going to power up this kit. So I use 12 volts DC adapter. So once I switch on the supply, you can watch the screen, which is fingerprint based door lock system. Now this application is ready with the fingerprint. Whenever I am giving a proper picture across this module, so whenever finger matches, you can watch the relay operation as well the lock. So lock will be open and close for 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. This is how my application works.